guys, what's up? Hope you are doing good. I want you guys to know that I am starting a new channel, Sports World. In this channel, I am going to review cricket matches. I will post one or two videos per week. All the cricket lovers, stay tuned. Please like if you enjoyed the video and please comment down the matches you want me to review. Subscribe my channel if you enjoyed the video. Thanks. So today guys we are going to review the match that India vs New Zealand World Cup semi-final 2019, and we already know that India have lost this match. So today I am going to review that where India have mistake, so they have lost this match. So let's go. This was a very good ball by Bumrah. Great captaincy by Virat. Nichols is very good at his cover drive. We have to give him slow Yorkers. Williamson is very good when he gets length of ball. He is very good at pull shot. No. Chahal have mistake. It was a Jadeja spins a ball a lot. That is what confuses the batsman. Yes, Jadeja is very good bowler. No, Chahal have mistaken here. He has not spin the ball a lot. He have spin a ball a lot on the offside, so it gives edge and catch by Rohit. We have to give on the we have to give on the leg of Williamson and then spin it on the offside, so it hits the wickets. Taylor is very good at reverse sweep. We have to give him slow balls and spin it on the other way. This was a plan but not executed properly by Hardik Pandya. This was a slow bouncer. We have to give him fast. Jadeja have to spin a ball. He is not spinning the ball that much. Yeah, this was I am talking about. We have to spin a ball lot on the offside, then it get edge and catch by the fielder. That was a good one. Pandya is giving a lot of slow balls. We have to give him fast balls, so it can get out Nisam. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Slow Yorkers, it will get out Nisam. Yes, good one there. Good one there, Hardik Pandya. Again slow bouncers. This is not going to help to win for India. Again slow balls. We have to give fast and spin a lot on the offside, so it gives edge. The Grand Home is a very good batsman. He is the power hitter of New Zealand. This is where India have mistake. They have given a lot of runs in the last 10 overs. Yeah, that is what I am talking about. Bhuvneshwar is very good at knuckle ball. He gives a very good knuckle balls. A good bouncer by Bhuvneshwar to get out the Grand Home. Yes, again slow ball by Bumrah. This was a very good ball. And yeah, Jadeja rocket arm throw. Jadeja is the best fielder in the world current. He just judge the ball and throw it on the stumps. Very good. Again a beautiful catch by Jadeja. I cannot think that if there is any other player could take that catch. Jadeja is a brilliant fielder. Another great slow ball by Bhuvneshwar get out Henry. And here is the chase. Need 240 runs from 300 balls. Here is the plan which New Zealand coach has told in the presentation, that they have do knuckle swinging, which got out the three top orders, Rahul, Rohit and Kohli. So this was a plan executed properly by New Zealand. Rohit get edge and out. This was the turning point. Bolt knows that Kohli cannot judge the ball from the left arm. This was the turning point. I told you that New Zealand coach has told in the presentation that they have to do a knuckle swinging, which got out the top 3 orders. Karthik and Pant partnership could take India to win if they could last too longer. Pant is a very good batsman. He's just a flicker. Another great catch by Neesham. I could not think that if there is any other player besides Neesham could take that catch. It was a marvelous catch. One-handed catch. Wow. Pun gets a lot of edges, and what that we get for 4. Yeah, very good. No. Center just give him ball to the offside and he flick it to the Granholm's hands. Another poor shot by Hardik Pandya. He lost the ball to the pull-off side. Log on. Great 6 by Jadeja. Very great 6. He has a lot of power in his hands, so he just flick it up to the long on side. Very good shot. Jadeja and Dhoni understand each other very good because they are played together at CSK also, so they understand each other. Another great 6 by Jadeja. He is very good at spinners if you give him to the length side, good length. Jadeja has his power in his hand that he could take every ball out of the park. So yeah, very good. If Jadeja and Dhoni partnership could last longer, India will win definitely. A great running between the wickets by Jadeja and Dhoni. And this is the sword celebration by Jadeja. Another great 6 by Jadeja. This was the turning point. Jadeja has lot of power in his hand. He just placed the ball softly in the air and it gets out on the hands of Williamson. This was a great 6. It was a lot up in the air, but Dhoni just managed to hit it out of park. Yes, very good. Dhoni just hit the ball so softly. He just had power, so he could go out of park. This was a turning point. Dhoni was 1 inch late. This is where India have lost this match. Another slow ball by Ferguson got out Bhuvneshwar. And this was the edge by Chahal, and it is the end of Indian journey in the semi-final Cricket World Cup. So hey guys, this was the review by me on India vs New Zealand Cricket World Cup semi-final. If you guys like it, please leave a thumbs up and comment down below. Comment down the matches you want me to review. Subscribe my channel if you enjoyed the video. Thanks.